What is up, guys? Eric here. So it's been a while. I've been away. I work overseas, so whenever I'm gone, I can't really produce any videos. Okay, so some recap. The Lotus's battery is dead, so I had to go buy a new one from Interstate Battery. So I have to install that right now. That way I can go ahead and start the car for the first. No, this will be the second time. I got it to start with the dead battery last time, but then I turned it off, let it sleep, woke up the next day, dead. So I went and bought another one. It's called the Odyssey PC625. So that's what we're gonna be installing right now. And I also installed, I don't know what you would call it. It's basically two charging ports. One's red and one's black, obviously for positive and negative. And it's just for easier access because of where the battery is located. And you're gonna see where it's located right now. And it just makes it easier to jump the car or charge the battery, put it on a tender or whatnot. Also, we're gonna go get some coffee after we get the battery installed. Yeah. So let's get started. All right, guys, so this is what I'm talking about. See those charging posts right here? Boop. And then that one as well. And the battery, it's right there. So that sucker's gotta come out, and then this one's gotta go in. I'm gonna get to it. Say hi to Richard. All right. All right, time to see if it starts. All right, the sound quality is going to change. Sorry about that, but we're getting in and going for a ride. There we go. All right, now you guys are secure. All right, we made it up. Let's get the fuck out of here.
I would drive 1,000 miles just to get to you.
Let's see, I think my phone's dead.
You're arrested to be gangster. That shit was gangster as fuck. It does, it's still gangster as fuck, especially
What's up, man?
What's up, dude? Talking about people like.
What's he talking shit about?
Stop being Coilovers like, nice wheels, man. Is that a 5?
I don't know.
It's not a 6.
I think so. I think it is.
Yeah, that's a 6?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I know they don't say it no more, they say go for it.
Yeah. I think it is. We're getting coffee.
You need to wear like one of those little jet things.
I know, right? It's mostly fixed in like opinion-based stuff.
Like, I got 255, 225, 35s. I thought they were
Look at the babies. You guys can listen to a little bit of the bullshit.
So, you see, you look like that Impala right there. Look. Ah, it's not that bad. With the dark color and in the dark tint.
How cold is it right now?
36, 32. It's 32 at the shop.
That's two different numbers.
36 at your house. Hey Siri, what's the weather outside?
It's currently cloudy and
35.
We're both wrong.
Temperatures will be
We'll meet in the middle and say just say 30.
Pieces of shit. Fucking lying.
This is why we all have trust issues.
Fuck Siri, like, dude. Oh, it's weird. You need a charger or what?
Wait, you got it on you?
You have an iPhone?
How do you-
Cord?
How do you charge that? I do.
Actually, no, you guys are fine.
What do you want?
Yeah,
Alright, well I want to walk to.
this thing has saved me numerous times. Alright guys, well, we're gonna stop boring you.
But they're rubbing. Like and subscribe.
Yeah,
Donate on Patreon.
we don't have a Patreon.
Yeah.
None of that. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated on what's next. It'll be the Coilovers, so stay tuned. Peace.